Yeah, it's your boy AJ. Back with another cooking video, man. Y'all know I love to cook. Look what I did so far. I got some zucchini and squash I'm doing. Then I got in the oven, I got some baked chicken. Ooh, y'all look at that. Seasoned. Then I got some cornbread I'm gonna do with it too. And then I got some brownies. Show y'all these brownies. I made me some and I'm gonna make my wife some too. So, you know, to try to be thoughtful. Honest. I just make those for myself. Definitely go make my wife some. So she'll have her own, I have my own. See how thoughtful of a husband I am? I try to be nice. Y'all be kind to your wife. Hit the subscribe button and notification. Hit that like and comment. Subscribe to your boy. I'm doing cooking now, and I'm doing my car channel, and I got an Instagram account, Instagram channel, and I got an Instagram channel show my dogs on there, puppies on there, basically some everything. Then I got the Callahan Gang group, and then I got me and my son just made a new YouTube channel, which is AJ and Son. Y'all subscribe to them channels. Subscribe to them. Like and comment. Please do that thing. Like and comment. Push your little button right there in front of you. Over to your left, say comment. One to your right, say subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. That button right there in front of you. Big old square right there. Just push it. Just push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Just push it. Hit the subscribe button, notification, and like. Comment on your boy AJ. AJ, Callahan Gang. Gang, gang.